How to connect Calendly to n8n. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can connect Calendly to n8n. So let's dive in. So first open your browser, and on your browser you have to open this n8n page. You have to simply search for n8n on Google, and then you can open this n8n by clicking over here. Once you do so, you have to come to this plus sign over here and click it, and then open Calendly. Now log it into both of your accounts, and if you don't have one, just sign up and log it into your accounts. Now once you're on your account, you simply have to click get started over here, and then you can just log in into your account, and then it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, on the left side, you will see this bar over here, and you have to click personal on this bar. Now click start from scratch over here, and then it's going to load this page for you, and you have to click add first step. Now it's going to open up this page for you, and here you have to search for Calendly. Just simply type in Calendly over here, and here it's going to give you this drop down menu with Calendly, and you have to click this option. Now you can choose any one trigger over here that you want, and I'm going to choose event created. Now it's going to bring to this page over here, and here you have to just choose the credentials to connect with. You can choose create new credential over here, and then you have to click this API key or personal access token, and then you need an API key or personal access token over here. So now this is the step that you move to your Calendly account that you logged into. So once you're on your Calendly app over here, you simply have to click this arrow right next to Calendly, and here you have to choose integrations and apps, and then click this option. And now it's going to bring you to this page over here, and you have to wait for it to load. And now you have to search for API over here and press enter. Now you have to click this API and webhooks option on this page, and then you have to click generate new token over here. Now you have to name this token. Let's name it API or n8n. Just name it anything that you like, and then click create token. Now it's going to create a token, but you have to first enter the code that is sent to your email. The email that is connected to your Calendly account is going to send a code to you over there, and you have to just type in the code. I'm going to come back once I type it. Now it's going to give you this code over here, and you have to click copy token and go back to your n8n account over here. And here you have to come to this box and then click it, and then you have to just paste it over here, the code or token, and click save. And here you can see the credential is successfully created over here. And that's how you connect Calendly to n8n. Thanks for watching.